Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to perfectly auto-align and distribute objects in Google Slides. Have you ever struggled with getting your elements neatly organized? Let's dive in and make your presentations look professional effortlessly. 1. Select multiple objects. This is crucial as alignment and distribution work on groups of items. You can click while holding Shift or simply drag a selection box around everything you want to arrange. Once your objects are selected, head to the top menu bar, find the Arrange menu. This is your command center for organizing and positioning elements. The Arrange menu offers the various options for transforming, ordering, and grouping your items. Specifically be looking at its powerful submenus for aligning and distributing your chosen elements, ensuring they look perfectly organized on your slide. Clicking Arrange, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu you'll choose Align options. Submenu offers choices like left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. Selecting one will perfectly snap all your selected objects to that boundary or center point, ensuring they're neatly lined up along a common axis. Finally, to achieve that perfectly even spacing between your objects, you'll also look under the Arrange menu in 4. Distribute for spacing. This powerful option automatically spreads out your selected objects evenly across either a horizontal or vertical plane. It's incredibly helpful for creating clean, balanced layouts and saves you from the tedious task of manually adjusting each item by hand. That's it. By following these 4 simple steps, you can quickly and easily achieve perfectly aligned and evenly distributed objects in your Google Slides presentations. Tools are incredibly powerful for creating professional-looking designs without spending hours on manual adjustments. Try next time you're working on a slide deck. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what other Google Slides features you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching.